In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Graficto. Graficto is a powerful, smart infographic creator that takes away all of the complications of needing design skills. In fact, they've made it so simple that you pick a template, fill out some basic information, and you're ready to share it. If you have any questions, I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours. I'll also leave a special discounted link in the description below that I'll keep updated so you always get your money's worth. Here we are inside the dashboard of Graficto, and what's really nice just straight off the bat is there's just not much for you to do. You don't need to learn anything, and it's pretty evident what the first thing you need to be doing is, which is either clicking on these templates and clicking the preview and having a look at them, or clicking create a graphic, which then takes you to the templates again for you to utilize. We're going to go ahead and use this one because it looks quite cool. Now you may think this looks a little different from the template it just presented, and that's because it's up to us to add more information to it. So an example of this is you've got the title and you've got the heading here. So on your left you've got the items. The items is the title and the heading is, well, this here. It basically tells you what the heading and title is. And then you've got all the different colors you can utilize. So let's just change it here. And you'll see it's pretty simple. You just click, 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 and it changes. You can change the fonts to any of the fonts that you may like. And then if you're not keen on the template, you can change it here. So to start filling out this infographic, all you really do is click on add item, add item, add item, and it just fills it out like this. If you want to change the icons, you just go to the icon and then you say what sort of icon you want in it. So let's say this is for a house. So we type in house, and then it shows us icons for that. And you just do each one on each tab. If you decide you're not overly happy with this template, you head over to templates, and then let's say this one. We just do apply this template, and there you have it. Now what's interesting and pretty cool is that it actually carries over the text and information with most of these templates. So if you see over here, it's got the house icon, and that's because we changed it previously. So if we now go to items, and let's just say we're just going to label this food, clothes, and you get the gist. So now what's going to happen if I go to template, and let's say we want to change this to let's say back to the key, we just do apply template, and all of that text is carried over, and that's pretty cool. So by the end of the design, you can quickly do save and then do download, and you can download it in these formats, or if you want to make it printable, do 4x high resolution and then do download. You can open it up, and there you have it. Now apparently these are meant to be vector images, and for those of you who don't know what a vector image is, the quality of the image isn't meant to degrade too much when you start zooming in, and you can actually see we've zoomed in well over 500%, and what's nice is that the quality has not degraded. One final thing is you can also share these templates with friends or family or on social media. So if you tick this toggle button, then do copy, then go ahead and paste it into a browser, this now presents it to, let's say, a client, to a colleague, or just someone you want to share the design with. They can then share this on social media like Facebook, which looks like this, and also on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. So the question is, what are my thoughts of this infographic design software? At first, I wasn't overly keen on the fact that you can't move elements around. Most design softwares now enable you to move layers and write on the screen. It's a lot more interactive, but I have to say, it's pretty simplistic, and I think there's something nice about having a design software or an infographic software that kind of just doesn't let you do that sort of stuff. It literally just, these are your template, don't mess them up, don't change them, they're good, they're high converting, just input some text, fill them out the way they should be, and then you can carry them over to all the other template design and just download them. I quite like that, and it's quite refreshing, and what's quite good is that the price point isn't costing you an arm and a leg, and infographics are incredibly engaging online. So having a tool like this in your arsenal, something that's just simple and it keeps it simple, is quite handy. I can't really fault it. It does exactly what it says on the tin. I quite like a lot of the templates. I do think they're quite engaging, and there's plenty of variety. So would I recommend this to a friend or family? Yes, I absolutely would. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.